Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Let's dive into our word of the day, which is baby. A baby is a very young child, usually one who has just been born or is in the earliest stage of life. It's a simple and sweet word that you've probably heard many times before, and it's used to talk about little ones who are just beginning their journey in the world. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for baby. A few common ones include infant, newborn, and toddler. For example, you might say, the infant was sound asleep in her crib, or they were so excited to meet their newborn after 9 months of waiting. Keep in mind that while toddler is a synonym, it usually refers to a slightly older child who has just learned to walk. So you might say, the toddler ran around the park all day. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms for baby. These could include words like adult, grown-up, or even elder. For example, the adult helped the child tie his shoes, or the elder shared stories about her childhood. These words highlight the contrast between someone very young and someone who is older and more mature. In everyday life, the word baby can be used in so many ways. You might hear it in conversations like, they just had a baby. Isn't that exciting? Or the baby cried all night, so I didn't get much sleep. It's also common in expressions of affection, like calling someone your baby as a term of endearment, or even in phrases like, don't throw the baby out with the bathwater, which means not to get rid of something valuable while discarding what's unnecessary. Here are a few examples of sentences with baby to help you get even more comfortable using it. The baby laughed when her father made a funny face. I can't believe how fast their baby is growing. The baby is learning to crawl, and it's the cutest thing ever. That wraps up today's episode of Hello Word. We've explored the meaning of baby, learned some synonyms like infant and newborn, and contrasted it with antonyms like adult and grown-up. I hope you're feeling more confident using this word in your conversations. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others find the show. Before you go, I have a little challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using the word baby and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.